Let's be honest. Sometimes it feels like your whole life is falling apart. You wake up tired, your to-do list is full, your mind is heavy, no money, no peace, no clear direction. But here's the truth. No matter how scattered things feel, you can still rebuild step by step. Step 1, clear your space. Even if it's just one corner of your room, clean it. A chaotic environment creates a chaotic mind. When your surroundings are calm, your brain starts to slow down too. That's not motivation, that's biology. Step 2, do a brain dump. Everything in your head. Write it down. Your worries, your goals, your guilt, your confusion. Get it all out. Once it's on paper, you'll realize most of the pressure was just mental noise. You can't fix what you haven't named. Step 3, look for one small win. Don't try to fix your entire life today. Just take one step. Drink water. Reply to one message. Open that file. Progress doesn't need permission, just motion. Step 4, protect your energy. Cut the noise, turn off the pressure, rest, reflect, pray. Even your phone dies when it's not charged. So why do you think you can run on empty? Your life won't change overnight. But every reset begins with one decision. So even when everything feels out of place, don't freeze. Pick one thing, then another, then another. Because when you look back a few weeks from now, you realize your life wasn't falling apart. You were just in the middle of rebuilding it.